We got some snow, which makes everything more difficult. Well, firewood this time of year is not easy to make, but it still has to be done. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony, this is TC's Outdoors, and it's cold out here, but we're gonna make some firewood. So this time of year, the struggle is real here in New York. You never know what you're gonna get. We have rain, we have snow, we have a mixture of both, and you just gotta kind of roll with the punches. And we've had snow and wind, holy moly wind, but we've got a break. So I'm gonna take advantage of it and see if I can get this cut up, because in like 3 days from now, it's gonna rain. So my frozen temperatures are gonna be gone, and I'm gonna be left with mud. So I'm gonna try to get this stuff cut up so that I can get out here and get it split in the near future, but it's some humongous stuff. This bad boy here, this is a root flare of one of the two big trees that my buddy Dan had taken down, and it's 44 inches across the long way. So it's huge. I'll be able to make some good firewood out of it, I'm sure. I'm just gonna kind of have to pick away at it. I've got my trusty tape measure and sidewalk chalk over there, and I'm gonna do my best to work my way around, do some measuring, and make the best chunks that I can, and the rest of it I'll burn in the boiler. So we're gonna give the Echo a few minutes to warm up, and then we'll get going. We'll do a cold start, like a really cold start. People love those. Choke out. That's it, 4.5. We're still working on this whole one arm thing. think I might need the tractor. Well, the log roller didn't work, so we got to go to plan B, which is the Kioti CK3510. Well, maybe. But, we're pretty frozen to the ground here, folks. Well, like I said, making firewood in this conditions is sometimes challenging. So I rolled that over, and I was able to break off one big giant piece of dirt here. But you see, there's still a bunch there, and it's right where I got to cut. I'm going to try to see if I can bang that off with a pickaroon when I get to that point. But hopefully, we'll see what we can make out of this today. We got to get something done. So this is the big one. This is the 44-incher, and I wish I had a little more chainsaw, to be honest with you. I've been thinking in 2026 I may buy a new chainsaw. I was thinking either a ported Echo, the 501P, have it ported, but that'll have into that probably about $1,100 by the time it's all said and done. Or I thought about buying the 564P, the new fuel-injected Husqvarna. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, because I think a 70cc power with a 50cc weight sounds pretty cool, and I can get a 28-inch bar with that. Might be pretty cool to have a longer bar. Let me know. only missed by about, I don't know, maybe an inch. Pretty cool. Did I break anything? I don't think so. Just almost made me cry. Made me cry on national TV. Alright, so like always, on our way to 1 million subscribers, I would appreciate your help. Hit that like and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. The work is done for the day. The sun is going down. Big giant pile of ash rounds over here. I bet a cord, maybe a little more, of bundle wood. And over that shoulder, all that stuff there, that's boiler wood. That's probably another basket or two. So I am happy to have all this stuff cut up. I am one step closer to getting my front yard back in order, It's never really been in order since we lived here, but that's the goal this summer, is to have a front yard, or at least half of one. And the Kioti CK3510 saves the day yet again. I don't know why I didn't bring it out to begin with. Thought I was stronger than I really am, I guess. But either way, I'm so thankful to have the tractor. It's a huge part of my firewood process, no doubt about it. I'm lucky to have it. Either way, I am going to head in for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. We'll see you. Bye.